This video provides an overview of the new features on the WingRiders portfolio page. The main portfolio dashboard is divided into 4 sections. In the first section, you can see the total value of your portfolio. This includes your liquidity and farming positions and tokens in your wallet. You can switch the currency between ADA and dollars. Below, there's a wallet section with a pie chart representing the value distribution of tokens in the user's wallet. On the right, there are several charts providing deep information about your positions, like liquidity value, that displays the total value of your liquidity over time. Another chart for ADA value of earned farming rewards per each epoch, and the third chart showing the price development of top tokens in your wallet. Charts for liquidity value and token prices offer different time span options. For example, 7 days, 1 month, or 3 months. Below are your active farms. This section displays data for total liquidity in farms, total WRTs, both in and not in boosting, and total earned rewards. Each card represents a single farming position where you can see a chart for pool TVL history in the last 7 days, your deposit in the farm, and farm APR. The last section on the dashboard shows your liquidity positions, total liquidity, liquidity not used in farms, and details both unrealized and realized profit and loss. Each card represents a single liquidity position where you can see a chart for pool TVL history in the last 7 days, your deposit in the liquidity pool, and the pool APR. You can mark each pool or farm as a favorite, and it will display at the beginning of the list. To see more details about tokens in your wallet, go to Wallet Overview. On this page, you can see the total value of tokens in your wallet and a pie chart representing the value distribution of tokens in your wallet. The table on the right shows detailed information about each token in your wallet, including the price development in the last 7 days, token price, amount of tokens you have in your wallet, and their total value. For each token, you can either add liquidity or swap. To see detailed information about your farming positions, go to Farming Overview. This page will display your total liquidity in farms, total WRTs in and not in boosting, total earned farming rewards for all time or in the last 30 days, total estimated rewards for the current epoch, and number of your total active farming positions. On the right, there is a chart for the total ADA value of your earned farming rewards in each epoch. Below are 2 tables, one for your active farming positions and another one for your historical farming positions. In these tables, you can see a detailed overview of each farm and manage your deposit. To see detailed information about your liquidity positions, go to Liquidity Overview. Here, you will see the total value of your liquidity and the value of your liquidity that you haven't deposited into farms. To analyze your profit and loss, you can see your unrealized and realized P&L. The P&L from a constant product pool is calculated in ADA, and P&L from stable swap pools is calculated in dollars. You can also view a detailed breakdown of your P&L per each asset. On the right, there is a chart for the total ADA value of your liquidity over time. The table below shows your active liquidity positions. You can see detailed information about each position, including unrealized and realized P&L of a specific pool. You can hover over the P&L to view the breakdown per each asset of provided liquidity. The table below shows all your historical liquidity positions with the realized P&L per each pool. Is there anything more you'd like us to cover? Let us know in the comments.